All right, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and we got pasta on our mind, more specifically, spaghetti. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this Chicago-style spaghetti. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, so we're gonna go over our ingredients real quick. We have some crushed tomatoes back here, ground beef. Now, you can also substitute this with Italian sausage, that's fine, or you could do a mix of ground beef and Italian. Totally up to you. Mozzarella, salt, chopped garlic, a bay leaf, beef broth, olive oil, that W sauce, oregano, black pepper, basil, tomato paste, Parmesan cheese, and chopped onions. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is prepare our spaghetti noodles. So you're just gonna bring some water up to boil. I've already added salt, and we're just gonna add it here into our pan, into our pot, I'm sorry, and we're gonna cook these babies until it's al dente. To start with our meat mixture, we're gonna heat up some olive oil, getting tongue-tied over here, over a medium heat. Once that pan gets hot, we're gonna add our onions. We're gonna saute these for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, guys, so I just added our garlic. I wasn't recording. And we're gonna let this cook for an additional minute. After that minute, we're gonna go in with our ground beef, and we're gonna start breaking this up as we go. This could take, 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so after that 5 minutes and you've browned your ground beef, we're gonna go in with our crushed tomatoes, our tomato paste, beef broth, basil, oregano, black pepper, salt, throw our bay leaf in there, that W sauce. And I'm gonna dash a little red pepper flakes in there. And we're gonna get this stirred up. And guys, adjust your seasoning as you see fit. And also, if you had any grease after you browned your meat, of course, you can drain that. Mine didn't produce any, so I didn't have to. And we're gonna let this simmer for the next 10 to 12 minutes to let that sauce thicken. All right, so after that 10 minutes, we're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna preheat our oven to 375 degrees, and let's head over to our cutting board. So now you wanna take a 9x13 baking dish or something similar, and we're gonna grease it. I'm gonna take a little olive oil. I don't have any cooking spray right now, and I'm just going to grease the bottom of the pan like this and around the sides. Next, we're gonna take half of our spaghetti noodles, and we're gonna lay them at the bottom of our dish. Now we're gonna take half of our meat sauce. We're gonna pour it over the top, or you can spoon it, whichever works for you. You just wanna make sure you get it evenly. Next, we're gonna take half of our cheese, sprinkle that here over the top of our meat sauce. And we're just gonna repeat that same action, come across that with our spaghetti noodles. And we're gonna come across that with our Parmesan cheese as well. I'm gonna hit it with a little Italian seasoning on the top. And we're gonna put this in the oven on 375 degrees. We're gonna let this baby cook for 20 to 25 minutes, all right? Let's get it in the oven. So this is what we have after 20 minutes in the oven. Man, this thing looks delicious. And there you have it, Chicago-style spaghetti. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. We're gonna jump into quality control because we gotta try this baby out. It's looking delicious. Listen, folks, it's quality control time. Look, we bring them groceries. Y'all know these are groceries. Man, look, it's so cheesy, man. Y'all know these groceries, man. Oh, Oh man, look at that. Woo. Listen, this baby is Chicago OEE. For me, you can't go wrong with spaghetti, but you gotta know how to make it. So definitely try this one right here, guys. So until the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Oh man.